We starting with the thousand. Together we read whole number. 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 If the number have 3 digits, we starting with 100. If the number have 4 digits, we starting with 1,000. Example for 133. 133. Example 2. 1,334. 1,334. Together we read whole number. 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 If the number has 3 digits, we starting with 100. If the number has 4 digits, we starting with 1,000. Together we read whole number. Together we read whole number. Together we read whole number. Together we read whole number.